In this video, we will guide you through how to pair your Multi-Mic Plus with the ReSound Smart 3D app. Start by turning on your Multi-Mic Plus and open the ReSound Smart 3D app on your smartphone. Open the More menu. Select Pair New Wireless Accessory, then choose Multi-Mic Plus. Put the Multi-Mic Plus into pairing mode. Use the tip of a pen or a similar object. Press the small pairing button on the back once. The status light will begin blinking blue, indicating it's ready to pair. Place the Multi-Mic Plus close to your smartphone, then tap Search in the app. When the device appears, select OK to begin pairing. Once the pairing is complete, select OK again to finish setup. Your Multi-Mic Plus is now connected to the ReSound Smart 3D app, and you can now manage its settings directly in the app.